Have you ever wondered who ensures that the weaker sections of society get free and competent legal services in cases that come under the Supreme Court's jurisdiction? Meet the Supreme Court Legal Services Committee. This committee was established under Section 3A of the Legal Services Authorities Act of 1987. Its primary goal? To provide free and competent legal services to the more vulnerable members of our society. This includes cases that fall under the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. The idea behind this is to ensure that everyone, regardless of their social or economic status, has access to justice. This committee is a testament to the principle of equality, as it aims to level the playing field for those who may be at a disadvantage in the legal system due to their circumstances. So this committee plays a crucial role in upholding justice and equality in our society. Now, you might be curious about who makes up this committee. Let's dive into that. The Supreme Court Legal Services Committee, or SCLSC, is composed of a group of dedicated individuals, all chosen for their unique qualifications and experience. At the helm of the committee is a sitting Supreme Court judge who serves as the chairman. This individual is nominated by the Chief Justice of India, a testament to their expertise, knowledge, and commitment. But the chairman doesn't stand alone. The committee is comprised of other members, each bringing their own wealth of experience and qualifications to the table. These members are also nominated by the Chief Justice of India, ensuring a high level of competency and dedication within the committee. Now, every committee needs a secretary to keep things running smoothly, right? Well, the SCLSC is no exception. The secretary to the committee is also appointed by the Chief Justice of India, further ensuring a seamless operation. Beyond these key roles, the committee is empowered to appoint officers and other employees as needed, all in accordance with guidelines prescribed by the Centre and in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. So, the committee is composed of highly qualified and experienced individuals, nominated by none other than the Chief Justice of India. This ensures that the SCLSC is equipped to fulfill its mission of providing free and competent legal services to the weaker sections of society. Now that we know who forms the committee, let's understand how it functions. The Supreme Court Legal Services Committee operates under a comprehensive framework. This framework is a collection of regulations, primarily derived from the Legal Services Authorities Act of 1987. The committee has the authority to appoint officers and other employees. This power is not arbitrary, but is exercised as prescribed by the Centre, in alignment with the Chief Justice of India. This ensures a balance of power and accountability, making sure that the appointments are made with utmost care and consideration. The committee's functioning is also closely tied to the central authority, known as the National Legal Services Authority, or Nalsa. As per Section 27 of the 1987 Act, the central authority plays a vital role in the committee's operations. It is empowered to make rules in consultation with the Chief Justice of India to carry out the provisions of the Act. This means that the central authority, in collaboration with the Chief Justice, has the power to define the rules that govern the committee's functioning, thereby ensuring its smooth operation. Interestingly, the committee is not just a passive entity that operates under the rules set by others. It also has the power to exert influence. Rule 10 of the Nalsa Rules 1995 entails the numbers, experience, and qualifications of the SCLSC members. This means that the committee has a say in the qualifications and experience required for its members, hence having a direct impact on the quality of legal services provided. In essence, the committee operates through a delicate balance of power and responsibility. Its functioning is overseen by the central authority and the Chief Justice of India, ensuring checks and balances. At the same time, it has the power to shape its own functioning to a certain extent. This is how the committee operates, under the rules laid down in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. The establishment and functioning of the committee are governed by the Legal Services Authorities Act. But what else does this act entail? The Legal Services Authorities Act, enacted in 1987, serves as the statutory base for legal aid programs in India. Its primary aim is to provide free and competent legal services to eligible groups. This includes women, children, scheduled castes, and scheduled tribes, economically weaker sections, industrial workers, disabled persons, and others. To monitor and evaluate the implementation of these legal aid programs, the Act led to the establishment of the National Legal Services Authority, or Nalsa, in 1995. Nalsa is responsible for laying down policies and guidelines to make legal services more accessible to those who need them. In addition to Nalsa, state legal services authorities, or SCLSCs, were established. These authorities are tasked with implementing Nalsa's policies and directions at the state level. They provide free legal services to people and conduct Lok Adalats, or people's courts, which are alternative dispute resolution mechanisms. An SCLSC is headed by the Chief Justice of the respective High Court, with the Senior High Court Judge serving as its executive chairman. This gives these authorities a strong judicial foundation and ensures that they are well equipped to carry out their duties. To further decentralize the system and make legal services more accessible, District Legal Services Authorities, or DLSAs, and Taluk Legal Services Committees were established in districts and most taluks. Each DLSO is situated in the district courts complex in every district and is chaired by the district judge of the respective district. The Taluka, or Subdivisional Legal Services Committees, are headed by a senior civil judge. This robust network of legal service authorities and committees from the national level to the taluk level ensures that legal aid is accessible to all regardless of their location or socioeconomic status. Moreover, under Section 27 of the Act, the Centre is empowered to make rules in consultation with the Chief Justice of India by notification to carry out the provisions of the Act. This ensures that the Act remains dynamic and adaptable, capable of responding to the changing needs of society. Thus, the Legal Services Authorities Act forms the backbone of the legal aid system in India, ensuring that justice is accessible to all, regardless of their social or economic status.